Hello, this is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel SAP Sphere. In this video, we are going to discuss remaining interview questions of Series 1. You can check out the first 3 parts of this series in my previous videos by the link given in the description below. So let's start with the 4th part of the Series 1. How do you create a vendor? Use transaction code XK01 to create a vendor. Add the vendor name, company code, purchasing organization, account group and the vendor address. Next, add the country, bank key, bank account, account holder with actual name and then save the data. What are the lot size attributes a material can possess? Lot sizing dictates the reorder quantity for a material. A material can have a static, periodic, optimum or fixed lot size. What are some of the data points provided by purchasing for a material? Some of the key inputs when creating a material are base unit of measure, purchasing group, reminder days, tolerance levels, shipping instructions, GR processing time, JIT schedule indicator, and critical part, etc. How do you create a material? Use transaction code MM01 to create a material. Name the material, choose an industry sector, choose a material type, create or copy the views, add a basic description, give its attributes values, MRP information, reorder point, accounting valuation, warehouse management information, and then save the data. What are the main purchasing tables? The main purchasing tables are EKBN. It is a standard SAP table which is used to store purchase requisition account assignment data. EKAB. It is a standard SAP table which is used to store release documentation data. And EKBE. It is a standard SAP table which is used to store history per purchasing document data. What are the key fields for the material master? Here are the key fields for the material master. Material groups, external material groups, divisions, material status, labs and offices, basic materials, storage conditions, temperature conditions, container requirements, and units or measure groups. Will ROH have a sales view and FERT have a purchasing view? They should not have, because ROH type materials are procured from the outside, not sold, and FERT type materials are created inside and aren't procured. In some special cases, we have to sell raw materials ROH and buy finished goods, that is FERT, from outside sources. The views must be extended in these cases using transactions OMS2 and MM50. What is release code? The release code denoting a release point is a 2-character ID allowing a person to process a requisition item. The release codes are defined in the customizing facility of purchasing and assigned to a release strategy. How do you create a class? Class is defined as the group of characteristics which can be attributed to a product. Use transaction code CL01. Enter the value for the class name and a small description. Select the group from it. The values on the different tabs are not mandatory, so you can skip the values if you wish, or you can go to any extent needed. Save and the class is created. How do you change characteristic? Use transaction code CT04 to change the characteristics. Using the transaction code CT04 in the characteristic field, the name for the new characteristic may be defined. What are some of the initial configuration steps for physical inventory? Some of the initial configuration steps for physical inventory are: define default values for physical inventory document, batch input reports, tolerances for physical inventory differences, inventory sampling, and cycle counting should be configured as well. What are some of the initial configuration steps for inventory management? Some of the initial configuration steps for inventory management are: plant parameters, define system message attributes, number assignment, allocate document type FI to transactions, goods issues, transfer postings, define screen layout, maintain copy rules for reference documents, set up dynamic availability check, and allow negative stocks. When and why would you have to set up a stock transport order in initial configuration? If it is required to carry out an interplant stock transfer through SD, then this configuration is required and must be carried out. What are some of the initial configuration steps for purchase requisitions? Here are some of the initial configuration steps for purchase requisitions. Define document types, processing time, release procedure with and without classification, set up authorization check for GL accounts, and define number range. What data does the information record contain? The information records has data on units of measure, vendor price changes after a certain level, what materials have been procured by a specific vendor, price and conditions for relevant purchase organization, tolerance limits for over and under delivery, vendor evaluation data, planned delivery time, and availability time the vendor can supply the material. So that's all for series 1, which includes 60 questions. I hope this series was enlightening for you all. So keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and updates from my channel. All the very best. Thank you and have a good day.